What's the meaning of chicle? Chicle. Chicle.
Chicle. Chicle. Chicle refers to a type of natural gum obtained from the sapodilla tree, commonly used in the production of chewing gum. The process of extracting chicle involves making incisions in the bark of the tree and collecting the sap that emerges, which is then boiled and molded into usable wafers. Originally harvested by indigenous peoples in Central America, chicle became a significant industry in the late 19th and early 20th centuries, but has since been largely replaced by synthetic gum bases. Despite this, some smaller manufacturers still use chicle for its perceived environmental and health benefits.